Got a great video for you. You need to watch the entire thing because we're going to go over multiple scenarios here. But you're here because you have a Ford F150 with a 5-liter engine and it cranks but does not start. And the main thing is it's an intermittent problem. Some days it starts right up, no problems. Other days, cranks and cranks, doesn't start. You let it sit for 2 hours, 4 hours, the next day, fires right up. And may not occur for another week or 2 days. Let's go over what we found first, then we'll go over the testing. So what we found in this particular truck was the fuel pump control module was defective. And when it failed, when it was cranking and not starting, it was not outputting any power to the fuel pump itself. So we're gonna go over how the system works, and there's a couple different scenarios depending how your vehicle's set up and what to look for. What I mean by that is there's been a fuel pump fuse relay power that's been relocated. There's a bulletin out from Ford. What I mean by that is some trucks originally, well, all trucks originally came with a 20-amp fuse, a yellow fuse right here. If it's not there, then you're gonna have a J fuse right here. I have them painted with a white marker so you can see it, fuse pin 70. So they removed this here and you relocate it over here. The reason why is the wire size was too small and it created a lot of heat and it was burning up the fuse. So back to original complaint, if you have this symptom and you do not have the updated relocation for the fuse, pull that fuse out and look at the pins on it. If they're burnt, you need to do the relocation first and then go from there. But if you've had it relocated and fuse 20 is not popped, it's good, check this. So we're gonna go how the system works. We're gonna go through it. This is, which I have it painted here, this is a fuel pump relay, okay, to the module. It sends power directly to the fuel pump module, okay? We tested this. We made sure that the output power is going to the pump. There's actually, when this key's on, the vehicle's running, or just key on, this relay is energized at all times. It keeps constant power to the fuel pump control module. So when you have the key on, this thing's energized and it's sending power directly to this module, okay? And that wire on this model, which is 2014, should be probably the same in yours, is a violet green wire. It's pin number 1, okay? So that wire should have battery voltage at all times with the key on. To say you check it, it's good. All right, so the next thing this thing needs is a ground. So you need to verify it's got good ground, okay? That's a pin number 4, black, solid black wire. If you have power and ground, you have one more thing to check to see if this is your problem, okay? That is pin number 5. It's a yellow and gray striped wire. If the key's on, I use a scan tool to activate the pump, but you might have to cycle it if you don't have a scan tool. Cycle the key for the first 5 seconds. It should try to prime the fuel pump. That wire should go from ground to power. If it does not do that, you have a bad fuel pump control module, okay? An easy test that works every time is bang on this module with the back of a screwdriver, just tap it, turn on, and see if the pump turns on. You'll hear it prime, make a noise, then you know this is bad. And that's what we did exactly on this case. We did a video on it, and it's very, very common. Fuel pump control module is defective. Solve this truck's problem. Hopefully, people that's watching this, you have an answer to what's been troubling you guys for a while, because in this case, it's not a fuel pump. And it was not the relocation problem either. It was the module. So any comments put below, give us a thumbs up, share this video because I know it's going to help a bunch of people out there. And keep supporting the channel, guys. Till the next one. See ya.